Hi, it's me again. It's Debbie, and I'm doing a 30-day diet using Tupperware to eat healthier and lose weight. So my goal has been to lose 8 to 10 pounds in the 30 days. So today is day 15, so you just finished 14 days, so 2 weeks. So at the end of this, I will share how much I've lost. I'm excited to let you know. Um, yeah, it's exciting. It's especially exciting because I feel like I am not starving and I'm enjoying and I'm eating too much food. To get weight, I was worried that I was going to lose weight. At least not to gain weight while I'm on it. Okay, so we're going to have tater tots and ham, and we're going to have a salad with taco meat and cheese. And for dinner, we're going to have steak and Brussels sprouts. And then for a snack, we're going to have nuts, grapes, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes, my favorite. It really is amazing when you're not eating sugar and candy and desserts, how sweet cherry tomatoes are. I never knew that. So first we'll start with the tater tots. No, first we'll start with the Brussels sprouts. I think they'll take a little bit longer. And my famous oil, olive oil, we'll just use a little bit. And I have peeled, not peeled, I have cut the Brussels sprouts in half. I feel like because they're like a cabbage, that when they're cut in half, the olive oil and the seasoning soaks in more and fries in more. So put a little bit of oil because we want the seasoning to go all through it. I don't really need a lot of oil for this pan. It doesn't stick, so I'm going to use Italian herb seasoning. It's a Tupperware blend, but they also sell it like Schilling or different spice companies sell it. So you can just go to the store and buy it. But I have a little bit in here. It'd be something different. See how it tastes with some Italian herb. I wouldn't put more than like a tablespoon on. But you can make this. You don't have to use the one you buy one in the store. You can make your own. And the recipes online, or of course you can always do a workshop where you take spices home with you. My spice, my everything cabinet. Okay, so we're gonna shake this. We're already warming up the pan. I cut them in half so that they cook faster too. You have to take advantage of all the vegetables summertime that are on special. They already look good. I'm gonna slip right out of the pan. So we'll start frying that. And then I have some tater tots. Okay, I don't need that many for breakfast. If my grandsons were here, I would do more because before I even get them anywhere, they eat them. Okay. And then we're going to get our lunch done. I think that's next. Lunch. They smell good. That's one thing is you can't smell it. Okay, lunch is a salad. And I do make a bunch of these all at one time. You make like 5, however many of these you have. But I usually do 4 or 5 because if I don't eat it for lunch, I'll eat it for dinner. So that is our salad, but we want to put cheese on it and taco meat. I'm gonna be good and actually measure out the cheese. The cheese is another one that I could eat unlimited amounts of, and it's not unlimited on this. It's one serving of dairy. I have all of my Tupperware microfiber towels available. They all got washed. Okay. So when it comes time to eat lunch, I am just going to take the salad. I am going to microwave this is taco meat. And how I make it is the stack cooker has that's a good one. Yeah, do I have the stack cooker available? This is the part of the stack cooker. But you take the ground beef and you put it in here, and then you cover it and you microwave it for like 3 minutes. You break it up, you microwave it for another 3 minutes, you break it up, and when you're done and it looks done, it might be 3 minutes, 6 minutes. It's usually 6 minutes a pound or a little bit more than a pound. But when you're done, all the fat and grease drain into the bottom. So when you lift this up, it's all good hamburger. We'll do that for another minute. So when it's all good hamburger, so you can drain out all the oil and all the fat, and you can. In here I put it in wrong. The turntable is wrong. You can put the meat in the other container, or you put this one, and then you put the taco seasoning and some water, and then you must microwave it again for a few minutes. And then I split it into different bend and serve containers, and you put this in the freezer. And then when you want to have a taco salad, you don't have to make all the taco meat and all. It's made already. Oops, sorry. So the taco salad is ready when you want to eat it. Can you hear it sizzling? I know you can't smell it. It smells really good. You can put it on lower. The pan doesn't have to be super hot. And I actually forgot a container. I just put it on a plate. I forgot to vent and serve to put breakfast in. I think that's the first time I forgot something that I had to admit to forgetting. So, okay, so that's the tater tots. Now we're gonna open up the ham. And the ham is cooked already. You could actually just eat the ham like this. But I like mine fried better. It's sizzling. It's still at 425 degrees. I bought the smallest microwave they have. Everybody tells me I don't think I can do it because my microwave is too small. And I don't think my kid can cook in the dorm because the microwave is too small. So what I did was I went to Target or Walmart and bought the cheapest one they had. And that's the one I used. The problem is I'm used to mine downstairs too, and I'm not as careful at pulling it out. And when you pull it out, I take it off the roller. So, what's next? Snacks. This is grapes. If I just leave the bag in the refrigerator, they'll be gone. But I leave some in the fridge smart and then I segment some out for my meals. If not, you don't want to eat a bag either. Now, next is our snacks. Now, one thing that I found I've actually never had before are these baby cucumbers, and they're from Comwell on the Big Island. So I'm not really sure if you peel them like a regular cucumber or you leave the skin on. If you know if you leave the skin on, they're a lot more healthy, a lot healthier. The Brussels sprouts are looking really good. Can you see them? You can fry other stuff with it too if you want, broccoli or cauliflower or whatever, but I was in the mood for Brussels sprouts. And now that they're like pretty cooked already, you can just leave it on low. Okay, the cucumbers are really good. I am not gonna peel them. You can if you want, but the skins are supposed to be extra fiber and extra good thing. So we'll just cut them and put them in snack-sized pieces. So grapes. I feel like I'm missing something. Cucumbers, grapes, and cherry tomatoes. Isn't this sad? It looks like I'm running out of cherry tomatoes. But you don't need to worry. Because I went to Costco and I found this container full of cherry tomatoes. I am not going to run out of grape cherry tomatoes. Because it's taking the place of candy and jelly beans for me. I hid the jelly beans. I'm not sure if I want to give them away or what I'm going to do with them. I definitely don't need to eat them for a long time. And unfortunately, I think jelly beans don't go bad. I can't believe I didn't bring any containers for food. Here. Okay, so we have cucumbers, tomatoes. I could put the cherry tomatoes in here, but I'm not going to. We have the tater tots. Ham looks good. The ham is nice and brown. That always looks good. You could eat that for breakfast with the tater tots. And I will put them in a vent and serve or eat them right away. So snacks, the nuts are downstairs, of course. I don't know why I'm frazzled today. But I'm going to move on to the steak and Brussels sprouts. Don't you love the Tupperware plates? Of course you do. So you can cut up the steak and we can put Brussels sprouts with the steak. I'm gonna let my husband try some. I think he's gonna lose weight too because he's eating a lot of the food I'm cooking. He probably won't admit to it though. Okay, so we have ham and tater tots. We have tossed salad with hamburger, the meat, taco meat, and cheese. Oh, that's what I forgot to put in here. Carrots. They're not on the list, that's why, but I brought them up. I kind of like to have all the holes filled. It's kind of a OCD thing, I think. Yeah, like gotta have everything in a hookah in one of the holes. That looks much better, right? And then we have steak and Brussels sprouts. And that didn't take any time at all. That wasn't even 15 minutes, and we have dinner ready. The steak, my husband did a bunch on the grill, um, but you can also do them in the micro grill. I'll probably do one of those one of these days. But when we're doing like 6 or 7 steaks, we just do them all one time on the grill. But they can definitely be done in the micro grill, and they taste the same. So what is the news I want to tell you? Oh, I want to tell you how I've done so far. First of all, I really was worried that I was going to gain weight this week because the first week you always kind of lose weight when you're not eating as much and eating something different. And then it seems like I've been eating quite a bit of food, so I was kind of worried about that. But I'm happy to report that I lost weight this week. I did lose weight this week, and I still have a ways to go. But at the end of 2 weeks, I have lost 5.8 pounds. So I know I have a lot more to lose, but I'm really happy with that much progress in 14 days. So again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. It's holding me accountable, and I'm trying to cut down on the Diet Coke. It's holding me accountable, and it's making it enjoyable. There's a Diet Bark soup here. You can put anything in here. Nobody knows what you're drinking. Fun part. So thank you again. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.